This is a project, Self-Learning AI Smartbot with NLP and speech recognition, presented by Shane Asher R, Joshua Kirbaka V, under supervision Dr. M. Malleshwari, Department of Information Technology. Abstract: human works get tedious every day. Here we proposed a smartbot using artificial intelligence and NLP. Predicting with datasets is more difficult than predicting with natural language. In this paper, the smartbot is provided with raw data as input. Then the input is processed and loaded into a knowledge base. The input article is tokenized into sentences. Hence, the smartbot learns from the natural input and responds to the user input with corresponding output. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is referred to as simulation, simulation of human intelligence on a mission that are programmed to think like humans. The applications of artificial intelligence are more and they can be applied in any sector. NLP and speech recognition in Python. Natural language processing is the branch field of linguistic computer science, information engineering, and artificial intelligence mainly focuses on interaction between two computers or the computer and human interaction. Objective: to build a self-learning smartbot which uses users audio as input and gives the output in the text format, and to integrate natural language processing and speech recognition feature. Merits: basic framework for chatbot is given. Vesting of machine learning on chatbots. Demerits: static database library, text process only, no speech processing, less security of data. Requirements: software requirements, Python 3.7, Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook. Hardware requirements: PC with 4 GB RAM, 64-bit. Packages used: from newspaper import to article, random, generate standard numbers for string, import string, from sklearn future, extraction text input, from sklearn metrics, pairwise import, cosine similarity, NLTK, which means natural language toolkit, import NumPy, import warnings. System architecture: the user will start the process. User will give the URL to the bot. The bot will scrape the data from website. For scraping, it uses Python library called newspaper 3K. The Python newspaper has the package called article, which needs the URL of a web page to be scraped. After scraping, the bot will tokenize the words in the web page, then lemmatize the words for finding the correct match. Then it asks the user to provide the input. The bot will get voice input from the user and it searches for appropriate similarity against knowledge base. Bot gives the corresponding output. If user gives by or thanks as input, the bot will end the process. This is the output. This is the final output. These are the base paper and conclusion. Capacity of the smartboard knowledge was enhanced by using Python and artificial intelligence, and it was developed with features like NLP and speech recognition. It's a domain independent and answers the user's query almost precise and efficient. It was integrated with the website which provides a particular information for experimental purpose. So this is the future enhancement. So these are the reference. And that's it. Thank you.